up, fuckers?
Hey.
Morning. He brought a Switch.
Just trying to stay busy.
20 minutes in the car. I'm like, I need entertainment.
Already bored. We made it like 20 minutes before Judah wanted to stop. What is up, fam? This is day one of the trip. We're out here a little bit east of Des Moines, Iowa. It's lunchtime.
So, do you want a sandwich, or do you want, that's a sandwich, or do you want like a noodle?
Oh God.
Cobb salad. And then we have plenty of dessert.
I'll do sandwich too.
Okay.
All this delicious food compliments of Tyler's wonderful mother.
We got sandwiches today. Here's your bag of grapes.
Oh, bad.
And then
Christian turbine.
Yeah.
Pat's last word.
Just finished supper. We are 3 hours from the hotel in Ogallala. Hey, Tyler.
We're going to Disneyland.
Yes. Change of plans. Kyle's taking over at the wheel.
That fucking fly out of here. Get out, go on, get.
Ooh, I hit him. I hit him again.
Oh, he's right here.
What the fuck?
God damn it, go open.
You know what? He belongs.
No, he doesn't. Hell out of here.
All right, cooler's tied down.
Cooler's tied
Everybody's
down.
got their cell phone.
Cell phone.
Wallet.
Wallet. Shell
All
phone.
four of us are here.
Judah. Oh God, I couldn't see you.
I'm guessing we gotta go this way.
Yes, is the only way you can go. Hey, Judah, we don't want your apple crisp. Huh? I know. I'm just. Yeah, just sucking your balls. Made it to Ogallala. We got all our stuff inside, got the bikes in there. Watching this first half wrapped up. Pretty cool, actually. There's a bunch of Tesla chargers. Oh, there's a Tesla. Why are you not parked at the charger? We're gonna just hang out, watch some football, go to bed. Tomorrow we hit up a little scraggy just south of Denver.
Crosby to try to win it.
Let's fucking go!
Yes! Yes!
Fuck yes. I thought that was gonna get blocked.
Oh God, he was close.
So
He's the fucking man. We can go to bed happy now.
yes.